Welcome to our tutorial on how to add your high school on Gmail. This updated guide will walk you through the steps to easily update your educational information on your Google account. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. Then select Manage your Google account from the drop-down menu. Once you're in your account settings, tap on Personal Info and scroll down to find the section labeled Choose What Others See. From there, tap on Go to About Me to access your personal information. Under the Work and Education section, tap on Add Work and Education to add your educational background. Then tap on Add Education History to input your high school information. Enter the name of your high school and tap on Save to confirm the changes. Your high school information will now be updated on your Google account. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily add your high school on Gmail. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.